It is important for all Muslims, especially parents, to act on what they advise to others. It is obvious if one turns the pages of history, that those who acted on what they preached had a much more positive effect on others, compared to those who did not lead by example. The best example being the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, who not only practiced what he preached, but adhered to those teachings more strictly than anyone else. Only with this attitude will Muslims, such as mothers, have a positive impact on others. For example, if a mother warns her children not to lie as it is a sin but often lies in front of them herself, her children are unlikely to act on her advice. A person's actions will always have more of an impact on others than their speech. It is important to note that this does not mean one needs to be perfect before advising others. It means they should sincerely strive to act on their own advice before advising others. The Holy Quran has made it clear that Allah, the Exalted, hates this behavior. Chapter 61 As-Saf, verse 3.
Greatly hateful in the sight of Allah is that you say what you do not do.
In fact, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, has warned in a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 3267, that a person who commanded good but refrained from it themselves and prohibited evil yet acted on it themselves will be punished in hell. So it is vital for all Muslims to strive to act on their advice themselves, then advise others to do the same. Leading by example is the tradition of all the holy prophets, peace be upon them, and is the best way to affect others in a positive way.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.